What's up, folks? Beeville Butcher here. Now remember, Halloween is just a couple of weeks away. So, in order to help you get in the mood, I'm going to make some ghost balls tonight. What are ghost balls? Well, they're marshmallows that are inside of a croissant that disappear. They disappear faster and ghost just like your last Tinder date did. Stay tuned. Place your butter inside of a microwave safe bowl. Melt your butter. Melted butter. Take marshmallows. Yahtzee! Croissant time! That secret ingredient. Let's go ahead and open up our crescent rolls here. Let me ask you, how many people still get scared when the tube blows up? I want to know. Comment below. Ah! It's so scary. Boom. Now you're just gonna find your seam and unroll your dough. Taking a knife, or if you want to, just rip on the seam. I'm gonna cut mine, make it easier. Flatten it down here just a little bit. Perfect. Take your marshmallow, drop it in the butter. Roll it around. Take it out of your butter, hit it with that Cinnadust. Just roll it around. Get nice and coated, like so. Drop it inside of your croissant. Fold it up. That's all you're gonna do. So fold edge over, fold edge over, fold edge over. There you go. Roll it up. There you go. One down. 7 more to go. So our ghost balls are all done. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take some of this butter. I'm going to brush it all on. And I'm going to go ahead and throw some more Cinnadust right on top of it. Let's go ahead and put our ghost balls in the oven now. And we're going to bake them at 350 degrees till they get nice and tan. You know, just like them old people down on South Beach that, look like luggage now. Bingo bango. I give to you the ghost balls. Now maybe you could serve this up with a side of cream cheese frosting, maybe if you'd like. Or maybe just a regular thing of frosting. Maybe you don't want to do any frosting at all. I'm not. This is the way I'm doing them. So let's cut one of these guys open and let's see what we got inside. Magic. See that? Nothing. That's why they're ghost balls. A marshmallow has disappeared and left the building. Oh, buttery, cinnamony. Oh, it's heaven. Oh, it's pure heaven right there. So, until next time, buon appetito.